Hey guys, Scott here. I'm going to do a quick review of this commercial chef microwave, and I'll tell you the reason I bought it is I had a really small space to fit it in, and I purchased this. I've converted a Sprinter van, and I want to go through some of the highlights. Number one, I like the fact of how compact it is, and as small as it is, it still has your turntable in there as well. And I like the fact that a lot of the smaller ones I looked at didn't have this defrost, as well as low, middle, medium high, and high. I keep it right about medium high right here, and that seems to work out really well. And then right down here has your timer, and this thing just works great. Overall, I've been really happy with it. And once again, I needed a microwave that is really compact, but yet still has those high and low features as far as the power, and has a timer. So overall, I've been using this thing now for about 6 months, and I've been extremely happy with it.